I'm Jeremy and I'm a product specialist at Abstract. And today I'd like to show you a brand new feature in InstaLOD Studio 2023 called Automatic Quality. Automatic Quality makes it easy to tell InstaLOD's Polygon Optimizer what level of quality you would like as a result of the optimization. This is done with a simple drop-down menu and will automatically calculate the level of optimization based on the input mesh and the level of quality that you specify. Let's take a look. The Automatic Quality drop-down menu is available at the top of the Polygon Optimizer settings in the Mesh Operations Settings panel. This drop-down provides a streamlined experience to determine how much optimization takes place on the input mesh while also taking into account InstaLOD's feature importance settings. The level of normal provides a result that is optimized for assets used in real-time applications. High or highest will optimize the asset for offline rendering or for meshes close to the camera. Low provides a result that is optimized for assets in AR, VR, and 3D web experiences. Lowest generates a level of detail for objects far away from the camera. Let's take a look at some examples of using automatic quality on a few different assets. Here we have a communicator prop with over 156,000 polygons. Setting automatic quality to normal gives InstaLOD the opportunity to determine how much optimization can occur without the need for trial and error. We can tell InstaLOD to prioritize maintaining the UV layout of this textured asset during optimization by increasing the texture importance to highest. Here we can see that automatic quality has determined that it can reduce the polygon count of this asset to around 20,000 polygons while maintaining the level of quality we have selected. Now let's try rerunning the optimization on the original mesh with a different automatic quality setting. When setting automatic quality to highest, unnecessary vertices are removed while still maintaining a level of quality for offline renders. Generating levels of detail for multiple platforms and experiences becomes a straightforward process with automatic quality. By setting the quality to low, meshes can easily be generated for platforms with performance restrictions. InstaLOD's Polygon Optimizer was able to reduce this mesh down from 156,000 polygons to only 11,000 while maintaining important features such as the UV layout, shading, and silhouette. Automatic quality is a scalable mesh operations setting, meaning that with one parameter we can generate a workflow that will adapt to any incoming mesh data. Notice how I can keep my settings exactly the same with automatic quality set to low while importing a completely different mesh. InstaLOD will intelligently determine how much optimization is necessary to achieve a result with the level of quality specified. The result is a massive 97% reduction of the original scan data while using the same settings as before from the communicator mesh. LOD chains can be quickly set up with multiple mesh operations using automatic quality. Setting up a profile this way creates a scalable workflow that adapts to the incoming geometry and creates a consistent level of quality for each level of detail. Once the profile has been created, I can save it as a JSON file containing all of my settings. I can then choose to use this profile as a template within InstaLOD Studio or our integrated plugins, or use it as a batch process with InstaLOD Pipeline, either with InstaLOD Studio's graphical InstaLOD Pipeline UI or with our command line application. By setting up a profile with automatic quality used for the levels of optimization, InstaLOD generates LODs with a consistent level of quality regardless of the complexity of the incoming geometry. We can demonstrate this by bringing in a completely different mesh that is a different size and contains organic shapes. The result is a consistent level of quality throughout each level of detail for this asset and any other assets I'd like to process with this profile. With automatic quality added to the Polygon Optimizer in InstaLOD Studio 2023, optimizing assets to a consistent level of quality has never been easier. Now, to learn more about InstaLOD's Polygon Optimizer, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here you'll find a vast library of videos covering the ins and outs of InstaLOD. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.